fucking scary, ain't it? Just a dragon. Don't blow smoke, not wing-a-ling, just a skull. That's it. It's not fashionable, but it works. Rawr.
Alright, I'm coming to you live from the inside of my car, and I'm standing up. Just need a little bit of entertainment, right? What's up, Mitch? Mitch shows up with a fucking hamburger, doesn't even bring me one. What a guy.
I'm hungry.
I know. So yeah, there's not much going on in here. So I've decided, upon further talking with Mitch, I cut these little ears off. We're going to throw some frame rails from there to there, nice and straight. Just have to compensate for some angle. No big deal, no big deal. And then we're going to go from there. Alright, so I cleaned that off there. And this area is clean here, and we got 2 frame rails cut, but that's on an angle there, so we're gonna try to find a positive way to figure out how to get a straight angle cut measurement in my wobbler. Okay, now I've got my frame rails marked off, so we're gonna cut these lines here. These lines, I'm gonna leave a little bit. Just a little bit, enough so I can, you know, grind. And we'll get a really nice fit in there. And then we'll start welding her in. I got both of them marked off. So, time to plasma cut. In there.
Don't film this shit I'm not sure of!
Okay, it's 1 in the morning. Had the boys over earlier. Got that cut off, cleaned up. I still have to take off the inside of the rocker panels. Not looking forward to that. It looks like a shitty job. But I got 1 frame rail done and in place, except for the top part. I'm going to be making a connecting piece right there. But yeah, let's do this. Same with this. Gotta make one for there. But I'm tired as fuck, so I'm going to bed. Maybe I'll edit some video. That's a good idea.